Throwing these on my hardbody project today. how to test fit the bed. Getting ready to cut right here to make it fit those. Very terribly rough drawn, but let's do it. Working on the steering rack mount today. So what I got going on here is that I want to be able to sandwich this piece and this piece together. So I'm gonna cut 3/4 of this off because I only cut 1/4 of this piece off. This is pretty much what I got going so far. Just gonna fit right in between there. Just a little bit lower out there. And then that rack is gonna go right on top of that. Connect it to those. I'm alright with some of these welds. I really should have prepped better, but it's coming out pretty good. So these are the parts for my steering rack. These are the mounts that are going to hold it on there and get them tacked in place. And I'll do a full weld once I pull it all apart. Everything's all mocked up. I gotta trim the inner tie rods and re-weld those to fit because they're long. So right now I've got both my inner tie rods welded. And I eyeball aligned it so that way I can get the rest of the steering linkage built. I gotta grind those to where they fit up together. And I got my extension here made so that way it goes down and actually makes contact with it. Got this fully mounted so it's not moving. So I had to ditch my original plan. This is my new plan. This is a stock hardbody steering shaft with a Subaru universal joint. So that way it's just one piece.